how to add or remove live speech to the accessibility shortcut menu on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Then scroll down and from here tap on Live Speech. Tap on that to remove or add it to the menu. So here I have Live Speech selected. So when I triple click on the side button to open up the Accessibility Shortcuts menu, in here it got Live Speech as an option. If I deselect that, so here I will deselect Live Speech, and when I open my Shortcuts menu, Live Speech now has been removed from the menu. And that's it. That is how you can add or remove the Live Speech shortcut to the Accessibility Shortcut menu. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.